J-Drone here. Force 1, Bugs 2, Snow Drone. That's what I'm calling it because that's the only time I've flown it, when there's been snow and it kind of camouflages in it. I have 11 satellites locked onto. We're going to give this a fly and just give it a fly. Dude, it was like raining, it was sleeting, it was snowing. I had it charged up, but here we go. Motors are fired. We are should be recording. We are recording on board too. Going up, and we are going to go out. Wind is blowing too. Watching my radar here. We were almost 200 meters out and I lost track of it. No, there it is. It's right there. It's kind of coming back to us, kind of on an angle. Again, it's fighting the wind. I'm dealing with wind here. We're like 96 meters away from ourselves. There it is over there. We can go ahead and jack it up. Uppity, 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 up, 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 up. These are really reliable drones, guys. The return home works really well on them. We are up there. We should be getting a nice shot. Our height is, we're at 100 meters. And it is up there. So we're going to chill right there. And again, you can hear the wind. And it's staying where it is. And guaranteed that wind's a lot stronger up there, man. GPS works well. We're locked on 13 satellites, and we're going to bring it down. We'll turn this way though, and then turn this way, and then turn this way. Now the front's actually facing me. We're just going to bring it down. And we're going to point our nose down. So it's going to start going that way. Fighting against the wind. Still coming down. This is a very entry-level GPS drone. I already had it calibrated before I started the camera, just for the sake of the time and the sake of video. I also let the satellites gather. Bring it this way. My hands in my coat. It's cold. Freezing out, guys. And we are just going to let this sit in front of us. I'm going to stop the camera. That way I have some footage just in case anything happens. Hold on. Come back here. Bam. Just going to stop it. And it should sit right there, just about. There, it's locked. We're going to stop. Let's see. Alright, that's stopped. Let's see. Nope, I don't got my cell phone on me. I kind of want to take a picture of it, like, with my iPhone, because the iPhone's a little bit better still quality than Hattie is. But let's go ahead and just get Hattie all up in there. All up in there, and we're going to turn it this way. I want to get those clouds and everything behind it. Dropping it down a little bit, dropping it down. I got to watch some of these snow drifts, because some of these snow drifts are deep, man, like knee deep. There we go. We're getting good image there. Kind of got the sun and everything behind it, moving around. And that just shows you guys stability. I'm not touching this, it's sitting there. It's raising altitude just a little bit because of that wind. The wind's blowing this way, it's tilting backwards, so it's raising up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and do another fly out. And again, it's pitching that way. Let's see, we are going to record. Recording. And I got the icon, and we're just going to go straight out. Be careful when you're doing this. Again, the return home should work as advertised. Birdman has taken this out past the point of no return, and it's returned. Right now we are like 177 away from us, and I don't even see it. I lost track of it. We're 168, 193, so we are going to bring it backwards, and hopefully she comes back. And actually, I'm going to go this way just a little bit. She is coming back. I'm 240 and change away. 200 away. I still can't see it. I took my eyes off it for a quick second. 155. 161, 177, 199. That's not good. So let's press return to home. See how it works. It's coming back. I got 199, 187 on here. I lost track of it. I have no clue where it is. 163, 128. 99, 94, 56. I hear it. There it is. Bamzo. So return home works. I've just proven that. So that thing, I think is actually like over there, and it's actually going to come down. The way it's looking, it's going to come down a little bit over this way, which I'm not going to allow it to, just because takeoff point was here where there is no snow. Maybe I can control it. We'll see what it does here. That'd be great if it landed right in there. Then you know it's pretty exact. I don't want it on that snow though. I'm not touching it still. Let's just, I did move it slightly so it was on the gravel here. And we'll just shut the motors down. Bamzo, return home works, and we'll shut the video off. Bamzo, so video's off. So dude, that was a great test of that. My hands are freezing, guys. We're gonna keep flying it until I get a beeping warning. So here we go again. We're locked on the 14 satellites. I'm gonna unlock the motors, put it back up, and I'm gonna try to keep my eye on it this time. Keep my eyes on it. My eyes are pretty frosty. We're actually going to turn it around here and come back towards herself. My hands are freezing, guys. Had to get out and fly though. I was going stir crazy in the house, just flying stuff in the drone room. Super nice drone. And again, it's freezing out, and this is getting a pretty good flight time, guys. Yeah, I can't wait to watch the video when I click that return home to see actually where it went. I think the wind had taken it that way slightly. Okay, now we got beeping. So J-Drone's gonna get this down here. That way I could get inside and warm my hands up and get the video out to you. Again, guys, this is Force 1's F200 snow drone. Just set it down right there. Bamzo. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do. We're pushing almost 10 minutes on an ice cold flight brought down at the LVC, which probably would have lasted maybe another 2 to 3 minutes in the air. Warmer climate, you could definitely add maybe 2 to 3 minutes before the LVC kicks. I'm J-Drone. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And that's your LVC, low voltage warning. Later, guys.